What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Super Cool, aka Lil Delson, man. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I'm back getting another fucking video. You heard me, boy? I be looking so fucked up, man. Today we at the damn, I ain't gonna count y'all. I'm not nowhere near scared of water, so this ain't nothing to me. Man, I'm walking on the bridge and shit, you know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all the bridge. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? Now what some fucked up shit is, it is right too. Cause if this part fell, and that was attached to this, and this, what the hell made them niggas think this shit right here safe? What the fuck? Hell no. Then it's a big ass eagle flying high as hell, look that big. Ready to snatch somebody's fish. That bit ain't bullshit. God in it. Now this what niggas be fishing and catching all type of. You feel me? I don't even know why niggas fish over here. Look at my nigga line. That bitch stuck right here. Ain't shit grab that bitch. I'm a country ass nigga and can't even fucking fish. Shit ridiculous. But don't judge me. Cause I won't judge you. Come on. Let's see what buddy I got down for now. I'm gonna end the video right here. Back again, man, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why the hell I stay whispering, bro. Like, I'm just not used to this shit. But it's a long ass walk back up to the goddamn, you know what I'm saying, where we just came from. And I got my mom's with me. Y'all wanna see my mama? I can't get in the vlog, man. You are too slow.
I can't go in these stairs that fast. You be tired of folks.
Like getting there.
Get in there.
It's a long ass walk, man.
Hell yeah. All the goddamn stairs. Shit.
They just halfway. Me so on board. Motherfucker got a long ass way to walk. I'm finna go out in these woods over here. Just
Get in there.
vibe out, man. Vibe out. Simple. Might get a little exercise in, I see.
Man, fuck this shit. I'm here.
Little exercise.
I'm here.
Y'all see how fast I'm walking? I ain't even walking that fast. It's just normal speed for me. Long legs, short arms. Ooh, that's a big ass bird, boy. That bird, look at that. That's a big motherfucker, boy. Whew. I'm right there.
Yeah. All right, this go to the damn stairs. Yeah.
I wish a nigga would. They gonna be here laughing, bro. Cause I'm gonna beat some out here. No. Ooh, it smells like straight fish on this bitch. That shit's strong. That is strong. What some of y'all girls be smelling like. Y'all don't be taking a shower, boy. Smell just like the damn, boy. Fishy, ishy, wishy. That shit crazy, ain't it? Oh, I just seen the blue-tailed lizard just ran under there. Little nigga, I'ma get it in. I ain't my time without these bitches. My time without these bitches. Y'all don't believe a nigga high as hell. Finna show y'all. Huh? Huh? Look at this shit. Look at that damn turtle. That Donatello, ain't it? Damn, he just gonna leave me. What the fuck? Dude, I swear to God, I ain't never in my life seen a bird that fucking big, dude. I swear to fucking God, dude. That's what we just was right there. We high as fuck, man. I don't do no drugs down to the kids. Bad for you. It's a cool little place to buy a bed, though. You know what I'm saying? That's a big ass fucking bird. Cool little spot to vibe at, man. I'll do a music video up here. You know what I'm saying? And I get that waterfall as the B-roll. Should be cool. That shit up. That shit up. That white man doing walking up here? Say what that white man doing walking up here?
I don't know.
Put the
I guess
beats
he
on.
seen a bad bitch, you feel? I guess he seen a bad bitch.
That's a big ass bird, man.
What is all that down in that water? Some black dot.
I don't know. I ain't even got no allergy to do it. I probably do, bro. Cause every time I come around hella trees and shit, I get sneezing.
And walk on this side right there. And you can walk right there.
Who? I ain't finna walk no motherfucking way. That current swoop me up. Oh, wait. I want to talk about.
You can see the concrete.
Oh, wait. That water probably deep ahead when you get down there.
No, I'm talking about right here on the concrete, baby.
I know. I know what you said, but that ain't what I said. Time to explore some shit. I already know what time I'm on now. Mama all the way behind me and shit. That's it. I'm finna walk through these damn trees, forests, or whatever the fuck niggas want to call it. Man. I'm not no expert at talking. I barely talk. I don't even know how to talk for real. Did something eat this damn tree? But what the fuck? Something that ate the motherfucking tree. Yes, sir. Y'all gonna like this video, man. Y'all gonna like this video. That bridge all the way the fuck down there. What the hell? Show y'all, man. I'm gonna start the B-roll after this. Nah, I ain't gonna go down there. I ain't got no socks on either. Oh shit, then it's a hole in the bridge. I'm good, little bruh. Huh? What you talking about? You said box?
Right there.
That ain't no, that's the sign.
That ain't no sign, is it?
Right here?
Oh, that's just fine.
Yeah.
It look like a box to me, goddamn. I thought I was in that bitch, huh? That was so pretty. I don't want to die. Look. Yeah, that bitch sound like Jurassic Park around this bitch.
Third land bird.
That bitch just sound like Jurassic Park, didn't it?
What if it's a gator back here?
If there's a gator back here, I hope that bitch climb the tree, cause I'm going straight up one.
I ain't going no shit. I'm getting the hell on. It ain't faster than me though. I'm black. Mixed that was scary. Nigga out of there. Hard. This shit is hard. I need your love, girl, I need your trust. That's a turtle right there. Right there.
Come on, the thing sitting over there.
Is that a turtle?
Fuck with you, cool. I ain't trying to find out these. Black. I'm black, son. I can't do it, son.
I need your love, girl, I need your trust. Try to hold on, but it's on not enough. But that shit stuck in my head. I gotta go listen to bruh song after this. I don't even know his name. That's crazy, bro. I just know what to type in.
Well, we went to the end of the road, y'all. Went through the woods, and we discovered some big ass bird. Sounding like Jurassic Park got that big. And that's it, I guess. Guess we finna take it back to the car. Goddamn way. But yeah, we finna take it back to the car. You feel? Out.
Girl, I need your touch. I try to hold on, but the time's not enough. I really don't ask for shit too much. Time's running low, please hurry up. I know you'll be by my side. I know everything's alright. We go places, different sides. You're in my dreams every night. Pour that bottle with some ice. Let's go out, let's dress up nice. I can see that you are mine. Baby girl, we'll be just fine. Let's take a trip to the